Wherever life takes you, carry the perfect backup plan. The portable, versatile Talon by Tactica. Modern life presents challenges. Work, sports, adventures, small things can easily blow out and become big. Talon helps keep the small things small. Made with an advanced composite technology and world-first patent-pending design, the Talon packs 17 tools and features to match in a pocket-sized carry. It comes with metric and imperial wrenches and rulers, box cutter, bottle opener, and standard 1/4-inch Phillips and flathead hex drives. The Talon adapts to your life. Simply swap out the hex drives for your next adventure. Whether you need an Allen head through to Torx, the Talon holds 2 within its body. A flexible elastomer keeps the tools locked in place and ready when you need them. The original socket design allows your hand to be positioned as you would with a regular screwdriver, a feature that many pocket tools don't allow. The Talon is made of one of the world's most advanced composite materials, 40% lighter than titanium and the strength of die-cast metal. Plus, the material tech allows you to carry your Talon without fear of scratching your latest phone or tablet. The Talon can go anywhere you do, and it complies with current TSA requirements for air travel. The Australian designed, engineered and manufactured Talon multi-tool by Tactica. Compact enough to carry every day. Lightweight enough not to weigh you down. Heavy duty enough to get things done. Talon in your hand? Enough said.
Presenting the new Magnet Driver Kit, your total tool answer for home projects, vehicle repairs, and maintenance needs that has a variety of features to help you optimize your workflow, making it faster and more convenient to complete your tasks. Perfect for amateurs to professionals. This kit, based on magnetic properties, includes the Magnet Driver 50, Magnet Band, Magnet Evo 25, Magnet Chuck, double bit, drill bit, ring stopper, magnet handle, and magnet nail holder. The Magnet Driver 50 is ideal for single or double tip power bits and simple screwdrivers. It holds your screws in place while using a drill or screwdriver. Now with a more optimized design and more flexibility and resistance, it is more compatible with different bits and guarantees the perfect finish for any screwing task. The Magnet Band is a masterfully designed magnetic band that helps you organize your bits, nuts, and screws. It is crafted with an elastic band that lets you carry it on your wrist, ankle, or even on your drill. It's your toolbox made super portable, preventing lost time and accessories.
Just like your smartphone combines your apps, games, and media, Keyport combines your keys, everyday carry tools, and smart tech into the ultimate everyday multi-tool you will use dozens of times a day, every single day.
For more updates, subscribe to our channel, click the show links and enjoy watching the videos.